A local doctor is offering a new treatment for people with tennis elbow. The condition happens when the elbow is overused. And as Allison Lazars explains, this new treatment may be an alternative to an expensive surgery.
Tennis elbow is the common name for one of several elbow injuries that's caused by overuse. But it doesn't just affect tennis players. Tracy Angel got tennis elbow because of her job stocking shelves and working as a cashier.
They, sent me for physical therapy, and it didn't help. It just seemed like it was getting worse.
Angel tried all of the traditional methods for getting rid of tennis elbow, including cortisone shots. Instead of opting for a surgical procedure that would have included a lengthy recovery, she decided to try a new treatment called the Biomet Recover System. It's one of a number of new treatments that uses a patient's own blood to heal the injury. Dr. Mark Petropoli is one of the first doctors in central New York to try this method.
Blood has a lot of healing factors in it. The platelets are the things that we're looking for, and they separate out into a certain layer because of their density, and they have the growth factors in them that allow for the healing.
Doctors use a needle to inject blood platelets into the affected tissue.
Sticking the needle in there and jabbing it in several times through the one skin poke, but jabbing it into the tendon several times to stimulate healing and blood flow into that area.
Even though tennis elbow doesn't just affect tennis players, some people who play the sport say they're glad to know there's an alternative to surgery.
I would think a lot of people who play tennis would be kind of feel this some kind of security. Definitely think it's worthwhile.
I would recommend it. To me, being out of work for only 2 weeks with this procedure compared to having an actual operation where you're out of work for longer, this is more effective, I think.
Dr. Petropoli has successfully performed this procedure using both the Biomet system as well as a different but similar system. In Syracuse, Allison Lazars, News 10 Now.
For more information on the Biomet Recovery System, visit our website, news10now.com, and click on Story Links.